magpapadrug test. I wonder why.
Last question, please.
No, hindi ako tao na nagpapaareglo. Tsaka hindi ako tao na nabibili ng pera.
Ma'am, are you a threat now to national security?
Am I a threat to national security? What they are doing to me is a threat. Sagot ko yan sa NSC. Mamaya, bukas.
Ma'am, may nabanggit
Diba?
kayo na bibinigay sa inyo sobre si First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos. Para saan ba yun? Purpose ng millions na yun?
Yes,
sabi?
I'm waiting for that question to come up in the committee hearing. So let's wait for that question to come up in the committee hearing. Yes, I'm free on Friday. Tomorrow I'll be in Basilan, and then Thursday I'll be in Lingayen, Pangasinan, and then Friday I'm free.
So you're ready to answer all their questions now?
I will answer my questions because I need to be there to help the other OVP personnel. They have expressed that they feel safer and they feel more comfortable if I am with them. But I will not be recognized if I don't take my oath. So I am forced to take my oath and answer questions under oath because I cannot take care of the OVP personnel.
But for example, to explain how 125 million pesos were spent within a matter of 11 days, or they have questions about management receipts. Will you explain all those or answer all those questions?
Isn't it that they've been asking those questions from the resource persons, from COA, from the OVP personnel? So why will I answer again? I already answered when we sent our answers to the Commission on Audit. It was clear there. In fact, ayoko naman kasi mag-discuss ng CF ba, but in fact, the 125 confidential funds had a notice of disallowance, but not the entire amount. Let's make that clear. Not the entire amount of the 125 million was disallowed by the Commission on Audit. Meaning, all the rest of the funds, I do not have the number right now. I think it's approximately 70 million that was disallowed. But that is subject to appeal. Because gusto ko ba sabihin ito sa inyo? Dahil during the discussion, I was telling the lawyer to submit a document. But the lawyer said, no, you know, when lawyers are discussing and they have their own positions, it's really a difficult meeting to do. I said to submit, and then the other lawyer said, do not submit. Eh di lumabas yung disallowance, and then sinabihan ko yung lawyer, sabi ko, tingnan mo, lumabas yung disallowance. Sabi ko, sa appeal, ilabas mo yung document.
Ma'am, si Colonel Chica and Colonel Nolasco na nabanggit ko naman.
Wait lang ha, so tapusin ko lang. And then, so cleared na yon. The first, second, and third quarters, undergoing audit. Merong AOM na sinasagot namin ngayon. Okay? For DepEd, the first and second quarters, may credit notice na yon. Ibig sabihin, cleared na ang buong pera. Diba? Ewan ko lang kung sinasabi ito ng mga congressman. Of course, hindi nila sinasabi, diba? Because they want to present their own narrative. Tapos na yon. The money in DepEd, first and second quarter, cleared with credit notice. The ongoing audit is on the third quarter only. And it's ongoing. So you cannot question an ongoing audit. And you cannot audit the funds of any government office because that is the exclusive domain of the Commission on Audit. Bakit nag-audit ang ating mga congressman? Dapat sila gumagawa ng batas. Nakikita nyo? Sinasabi na nila ngayon, in the proper time, we will legislate. Kasi sinasabi namin where is the proposed legislation? Hinahanap namin. So ngayon, dinadagdag na nila yon. Madali lang naman siya Pakinggan nyo lang basahin nyo lang lahat ng mga nangyayari. Madali lang maintindihan kung anong ginagawa nila. Okay?
Last question please, last question. Humarap na si Colonel de las Fuentes de la Chica, mas maintindihan na ba ng publiko at ng Kongreso itong paggastos po ng confidential funds?
Really, I still say that confidential funds, the use of confidential funds cannot be divulged. Sinasabi ko pa rin yan. They cannot be divulged in public. It will compromise lives and security of personnel who are cooperating or who are nandoon sa kabila na asset. You cannot do that. That is why it is called confidential funds.
Thank you.
Reaction doon sa comment ko ng ilang congressmen na parang nagkakatulog na bumaharap sa
Oo, kasi tineterrorize nila. Of course, magkakasakit talaga ang tao na hinaharas mo, tineterrorize mo. Ako lang naman ang hindi nagkakasakit dahil politiko ako. You can terrorize me and harass me all you want. It does not matter to me. Pero these are ordinary Office of the Vice President employees. They are not politicians. They are ordinary citizens. So, pag hinaras mo yan, terrorize mo yan, ganyan talaga mangyayari. Sinasabihan ko yung doktor kagabi, Dok, i-clear nyo yan na mag-attend ulit. Kung sa susunod, diretsong stroke na yan. Ngayon, swerte tayo, hindi na stroke, hindi na heart attack. But the family has a history of heart attack. Lahat ng kanyang ang parents and some relatives, heart attack lahat ang ikinamatay. So, ano ba? Papaupuin pa ba natin doon? Tapos antayin natin, na heart attack.
Kay Ma'am Gina ito.
Yes. Diba? So, yes. So, yes. Yes, Mr. Billionario, pahingi ng pera.
Nasa critics din and others, they're saying
Yes.
of course you've already said that you're here almost 24/7 because you're concerned about your staff.
Yes.
Some of your critics say you're here 24/7 because you're afraid they might say something, might divulge something that might not be right.
They are attending Yusek Lopez attended the hearing. They can ask her questions there. I was not there when Yusek Lopez attended the hearing, so I was not there to influence her and tell her what to answer. If you saw me yesterday, I was not looking at Gina Acosta. I was studying. I was reading laws. I was studying the rules of para na akong congressman ngayon, tanong niyo ako kung anong rules nila. I was studying the rules of the House of Representatives. I was not looking at her. Pinapabayaan ko siya sumagot. Siguro umiiling-iling ako paminsan-minsan dahil I feel na hindi dapat dinadivulge sa public yung ibang mga sinasabi na ng kasama ko, pero wala akong magawa. Kasi ayaw namin na ma-detain sila. So, sumasagot talaga sila. Si Edward Fajarda, not once did I coach him. Pero si Gina, I helped her with the term detail. Kasi she was trying to remember kung anong tawag nung isang tao na galing sa isang opisina, na nililipat sa isang opisina, and that is called detail. So I told her detail, and she said details.
From yung money yung CF is from SDO, dumidiretso daw sa mga security officer. Yun talaga mamang nature ba ng confidential funds?
Yes, there is an SDO, and there is a security officer, and there is a head of agency. So, ako yung head of agency, may SDO kami, may security officer kami. Ganun talaga ang structure. Again, sinabi ko ito sa mga, wala kasing mainstream noon ba? Again. So, alam natin lahat ng, mahalikan ko na yung Ayoko itong pula. Saan galing yan? Ayun. Okay, saan? Saan ako? Okay. Alam nyo, di ba, meron kayong mga naririnig ng akusasyon ng nakawan dito sa ating gobyerno. Corruption in government. Naririnig nyo ba na millions ang ninanakaw? Hindi, di ba? Ang naririnig nyo, billions ang ninanakaw sa budget natin. Alam nyo bakit 150 million lang yon? Kasi kinompute yun kung buwan-buwan ano ang gagawin at ano ang i-implement. Napakaliit na amount ang 150 million. So bakit kami magnanakaw ng 150 million? Ang nakawan sa gobyerno, billion. Ginamit yun sa trabaho. Bakit 125 plus 500 lang yung sa Office of the Vice President? Kasi kinompute yun. Buwan-buwan. Ang problem sa 125, binigay siya sa amin December na. And the requirement in government offices, you have to utilize money before December 31, before the end of the year. So ang ginawa, lahat ng preps, in-implement. Diba? And as I said, government offices disburse millions, billions in a day. Sa DepEd, nagdi-disperse money. Nagdi-disperse. Pumipirma kami ng cheque. Multi-million. Kung i-total mo ang mga checks araw-araw na nalalabas sa DepEd, billions. Nagbabayad kami, nagbabayad. So, bakit nila kine-question yung pagbabayad ng millions in a day? And that is, part of work of government offices to disperse money every day and pay obligations. Ginamit yun sa trabaho. Pinipilit lang talaga. Dalawa na ang maro ko. Si Marisol at si GC. Tama na. Anong oras na? Oo, kasi alauna na, and I have to be back tonight. Ayaw nila ng gabi. Na ano sila sa gabi.
Ma'am, basta yung promise
Yes.
na listahan mo, ma'am.
But tomorrow, balikan ako sa sila. I leave in the early morning. Yes, leave early morning. And then, balik ako sa gabi. Oo. May flights naman. Nandiyan mama niya, tsaka nandiyan yung lawyers niya, and ayoko makipag-usap sa mga abogado kasi lahat ng mga abogado, pag nag-uusap-usap sila, magaling lahat ba? Diba? Lahat sila, ako yung magaling. So, parang ayoko sumali sa legal discussion.
Ma'am, gaano kahabang listahan ng mga threats sa'yo? Can you...
Or sit down daw, sabi ni JC.
Yan, tayo ni JC, pag ako nagtanggap, ma'am,